Morning, everyone. Welcome to today's TDA. I hope your week is going well so far. I hope your trading is profitable so far. All right. And I hope you're taking advantage of this TDA by placing trades and taking actions on our chat too. So nice to have everybody here. So straight to our chat. We'll be analyzing DXY this morning. On the weekly time frame, we can see that price is reacting off 78.6 fib level, tending to the upside. And same thing happening on the daily, although price tapped into this fair value gap and is currently reacting off where it was tapped. On the 4-hour, we can see that price got close to filling this gap. There was an inducement. We are also expecting a push to the downside to fill up this gap before tending upwards. So we are expecting a little sell-off of the dollar to fill up this gap before buying to the upside. Heading down to GBP USD. Well, on the weekly, we can see that price has taken out this low, right? And price is currently bearish. So I am expecting a sell-off of the GBP USD. On a daily, price is currently in a range. So I am interested in selling the GU if price takes out this low right here. Or I am interested in buying if price takes out this high. I don't have a solid bias for the GU. GU is currently tapped. I beg your pardon. The GU is currently in a range. So for the meantime, we'll just wait until GU picks a direction. There is a fair value gap here on the 4-hour time frame. Right here, I will draw my surprise might sell off to this point. There are a lot of news releases here. So I am expecting that the news coming out to be positive for dollar, strengthening the dollar, and of course weakening the GU. So price might tap into this fair value gap when the news comes out. But then I am expecting that price will trade into this fair value gap on the 1 hour before tapping downwards to the fair value gap on the 4 hours. So I really don't have a very clear bias on the GU because it is currently caught up in a range. So heading down to the Euro USD. For the Euro USD, of course, if we're expecting a sell-off on the XY, then we're expecting a buy of euro. But on the weekly time frame, I can see that price is currently reacting off 78.6 fib level to the downside. Then heading on to our daily, right? We can see that price created higher highs and higher lows, indicating that Euro USD is bullish and price is currently reacting off 78.6 level of our daily time frame. So I am literally expecting a kind of buy on our Euro USD on the 4-hour time frame. So I am really looking out for buy setups on the Euro USD. We can see that the PMI news came out for dollar and it was positive. So it ended up in weakening the Euro USD. And then the Euro USD PMI came out yesterday and it's really strengthened the Euro USD to the upside. So I am expecting a buy of the Euro USD. Once I see my base formation and continuation, then heading down to the 5 minutes time frame and I see my variation, I am really interested in buying the Euro USD. Does anybody have a different bias? What's your bias on the GU? All right. So I'll be calling on our gold master to analyze gold pair.
Look at it. Good morning, everyone. Yeah. All right. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Looking at gold this morning, yesterday was actually a very sweet day for gold traders. If you are on the right direction, yesterday was a sweet day before the news. And let's just take a review of what we, as analyzed yesterday by Chief Demola Global. We're looking for a big sell yesterday, so thank God he did that yesterday too. All right, now let's look at it from the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we've seen clearly how price has already broken lows. Can you see it now? Price already broken lows at this level. And if you follow the analysis sent last week, we truly would see that this week we are expecting gold to sell all the way to the 4-hour order block that we are seeing far below. Yes, this is where we are still expecting gold to come to, and that's around 1980 level. So we are expecting gold to come to around 1980, 1990, between 1990 and 1980 level. So that's where we are expecting gold to sell all the way to. Now, looking at yesterday's move, we see that it clears this liquidity below here and broke it all the way to the downside. However, today, we are going to see what is going to happen today. We check it on the 1-hour time frame. We can see clearly on the 1-hour time frame for today's move, you can see price has actually created a level of flip that is broke all this strong support here to the downside. And we can still see it rally a bit to come back and tap into this fair value gap that it left above here. But if you are trading the boss strategy, like we said earlier, like we do here, we are trading the boss strategy where we can easily sell gold is still very far above, somewhere around this place. This is where we can sell gold. And remember, there's a news coming up. There's a news coming up today by 2:30. We'll be expecting all manner of news from the US. Get the point now, and that will cause a lot of reaction in the market. So going forward today, we are going to be looking before the news, pre-news, we may see a long of gold, and during the news, we should be looking out to sell gold. Get the point now? And where are we still heading to? Like we said earlier, we are still heading to the 4-hour order block here between 1990 and 1980. So somewhere around this place, you see all this void. So we expect gold, particularly to clear this low. This particular low it did last week. So we expect it to clear that low all the way to the downside. Now, looking at the yen basket, let's take a look at the yen basket. Now, this week, we've been expecting the yen basket to be bullish. Why? We have seen on the daily time frame where price actually reacted from, this particular order block here. That's where price reacted from. So we expect it to be bullish this week. So that's what we've been looking out for. And we've been seeing yen basket, all throughout yesterday, yen basket was very bullish. The yen was strong all throughout yesterday. And at the same time, for those trading UJ, prior to the news, when the yen basket was, pulling is turned to be very strong, UJ was also selling all the way down. And when the news came out, then the market for UJ turned up. Now, for those trading GJ, where we marked earlier, a few days ago, that we are expecting price to come to, price actually got there, and just that most of us were not on screen, and it's so sad. That's it here. There's a place here. Can you see it? You can see it here. So if we try and extend this all the way to this side, yes, that is where price came to yesterday after the pound news yesterday. So it rallied all the way to this level and it's collapsed from that level. So going forward this morning, looking at our head and shoulder, our box strategy, we are going to see what has happened here. Something has happened here. If you look at it on the lower time frame, see it on the 15-minute time frame, you already see a clear break. This is a sweep to the downside, break up here. And you can see this. Yes, a lot of people say, okay, this is a bullish flag. Yes, it's expected to go back up, to continue up move. However, we may see price pull all the way back to this corresponding side here, which is the shoulder at the other side. So this particular level, so we may see price pull all the way to this place. And then bounce back to the upside. When it bounce back to the upside, where are we expecting it to sell from? And looking at this again too, you see, it's just trading within a range. So it's either it breaks down or it breaks up. Like my colleague said, as regard GU has been forming some, kind of very stubborn range there. But look at this on the 15-minute time frame. If you are to trade that same strategy on the 15-minute time frame here now, we've seen a break to the downside, which is this one. And this is that shoulder that produces this sweep here. And we can see what is really happening here. So price is just reacting here. But however, if price broke down, that's even giving us a confirmation that this place, price should come all the way down to tap into this level. And if we see our clean structure, then we can also follow it all the way back to the upside. Now, on the yen basket, remember, on the yen basket, we are expecting a bullish move for this week, which we've been seeing from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, even though the momentum is not that strong. So that's what we are looking on the yen basket. We look to it for it to be strong, right? So that's what we are seeing on yen basket, on gold, on GJ right now. So if you have any question, then easily let us know and let's quickly go through it all together. Any question, please? Yeah. Any question, online community? All right. Okay, yes, yesterday, if you took that gold sell yesterday, let me know so we know we're on the same page. You took the sell yesterday. Don't be okay. Make sure you trade even when we do analysis together and we see you take the trade. It gives us some level of okay, good, we are doing well. You get the point now. So let's try and do that too. Yeah, for today now, looking at it for today now, this may be a very sweet place to sell gold from. Just let's mark it out. Eventually, we see that rally to that level, somewhere around this place. Can you see it? We price come all the way to this level? I truly don't know. But eventually, you see price around this level, just hit the head and follow it. Now this is it. You see the shoulder one, there is even like 3 there. This is the first one. This is also the second one that was broken forcefully. And remember, this particular signature will always drop price all the way back up. You get it now. So if you see it somewhere around this place, it definitely would still come and drop price all the way to the upside. So if you see price around this place today, you can easily follow it up. Okay. Oh, you didn't set limits. All right. Wow, you set limits trading gold. That's good. Amazing. No. We get mind past ourselves for this industry. So it may be a very sweet one. But I don't do that actually. Because we all know this guy is a beast. It can turn your account to stop loss itself. All right. So any other question, please? All right, since there's no question, we are going to call it a day today. So remember our ATM cash flow training, we started yesterday and it's still going on. Eventually, you want to join from the second day. Yesterday was just introduction, basics, and the likes like that. So today is the main course meal. So you may want to join us today. Also, our FS Bootcamp is also still there, going for 125,000 naira. And we have our value flow models also going for 150,000. And also we have our prop passing. Don't go and blow your prop account because you want to pass it. We have some prop firms that their rules are quite okay and we can help you pass the account. Also, our bots are also available, doing well, slow and steady, Truth EA, and every other bot there too. They are doing well there. And if you like us to also help you pass and manage your account, just that for now, we've already gotten to the cap of it. Probably when we finish this circle again, you may be warming up so that we can also have you in. Thank you. Cheers. Follow us on our social media handle. Is there in the chat box at Value Flow Trading, Instagram, and every other traders on the floor. And at the same time, you can reach out to us on WhatsApp. If you have any inquiry or any question. Thank you so much. It's good having you all on board this morning. See you tomorrow morning. 8:30 is the time. Cheers and God bless.